Hello. As I mentioned in the last video that I'm going to teach like the basic things about GitHub and how to use it in your Visual Studio Code. So I'm here to actually practically show you. Like talk is cheap. Let's dive deep and let's see. Okay. So I'm working on this Medium page. So it would be documented somewhere. You can go through this Medium page so that it will be easy for you all also, right? So yeah, we'll just work on what is the important today. Okay, what is Git and what is GitHub? So many of the people think like Git and GitHub is the same thing. No, no, no. They both are not same. So like saying in the simpler form, like no need of big things, like simpler form. Git also does the version control, like not to keep a track of your record. That is only local. It's not about in some source or somewhere. But GitHub is like online way of keeping, like somewhere in cloud or somewhere, not in your like even though like, anybody can see. Okay, we'll keep it simple like this. Like you know the Play Store, right? How does it work? Like we can download many things and so many things, even we can upload our apps there. So it's kind of like that. So there are many people who have uploaded very good projects in GitHub, and if you want to download that there also, if you can go and download. And even if you want to keep your coding part or anything, showcase and collaborate with others, you can put your code in GitHub. That is online way, that is called as GitHub. Git is like local version control. Like you can commit, you can, but you can't push it to GitHub. That's until there it is Git. So I think this is okay. Like small basic way. Okay, come we'll see here. Okay, yeah. Here's where Git comes in. GitHub is online way of keeping record of your work, and Git is offline way of keeping record of your. Okay, so yeah, you can think it's a social network for coders. Yeah, this is great, right? Social network, like yeah, we are all socially connected, like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, so many things. Even for coders, yeah, there's something like cool thing, social network for coders, that is for like GitHub. Okay, when you use Git and GitHub together, you are having best of both worlds. Like from even you can upload, even you can take others code, like it's best of both, right? Oh, such a cool thing is this. Okay, you can maintain your code history, like when, how much you have changed, everything. Okay, I'm gonna show you all this in clear. Like, why am I talking? Is it seriously boring? Okay, keep some time. Okay, you can showcase all your project. That's fine. Like, if you have not set up your GitHub account, please go. Like, take this website here. Okay, it's here. So if you are new, you can just sign up, create an account and everything. So I am not new, so I'll just go. I have created a small this one, so I'll just go and dive deep in it. Okay, done. So I have recently started this new one, like a new GitHub, to only show how GitHub works. So this is the page you will get to when you all finish all your settings. So you'll come to this page. So after this, okay, so before diving deep into this, shall I teach you some Linux commands, like which will be used in your Visual Studio Code, because we are all coders. We want it to be like, it's not only Visual Studio Code, it's anywhere. Like you can use in Swift. I have worked on Swift, so I have used this all commands there also. So any of the platforms, the JIT commands are same. Okay, so okay, that's fine. I think like we can. Oh, okay, open any Visual Studio Code, and for to learn Linux commands we can use this only, I think. Okay, first one comes. Okay, what do you want the first one? Okay, we'll go with list. Yeah, list. Okay, we'll go with PWD, where you're there. PWD. We'll go in caps. Okay, I'm in none of the folder. I'm in the root folder. So The next one, CD. Oh no, we'll go with MKDIR. MKDIR. Test pro. Ah, let me go with CD first and then go with this. CD. CD. I'm going to teach all these commands. Wait. Okay, documents. Just see my what's happening here and all. I'm going to teach it all these things. Okay. I know you're confused. You said I'm going to teach you and I'm not going to teach you. Yeah, it's like I'll teach you. Okay, let it be full. Fine. From the basic. Like now we will do PWD. We'll see what happens. See, did you see? It has come here. What is PWD then? PWD is present working directory. Directory is just like a folder where you are in. To know like which folder you are in, where you are, you need to check PWD. Like sometimes you get lost, like where am I, in which folder am I, I'm not able to commit, I'm not able to do this, because everything, you should be in a particular folder to access it, right? That's why many people will be like, I don't know where I am, this. So see, here also you are in documents. You'll get the whole, like from the root where you are in C drive, in users, in Lenovo, this one, my computer, and documents. So this is the way, like you should see where you are in. Okay. Now let's create some folder inside this. Okay. KDIR. First let me see how many are there. Okay. MKDIR. Test directory. Okay. So ls. I'll say this ls also now. Okay. Did you see some test directory here? Yes. A directory is created. Okay. So what is mkdir now? Mkdir is a make a directory. To create a directory, blank directory, it will be created. Then I use some other command. What is it? That is ls. ls is list of all the folders inside this. We call it directory. So whenever you use a directory, in a simpler way, it is a folder. Okay. So when I do ls, I am getting inside this document what all our folders or files are present, that all will be displayed. To know what you have inside and what you, from where you have to go inside, we need this list. Okay. Then one more I used, that is clear. To clear your page. Okay. So we'll get into the folder which we have recently created. Just see. Okay. CD test. I did tab and I got the whole word. Okay. You just need to type the half how much you know and press tab. The whole thing will come out. And if you don't know, like but if you create a 2-3 same, like test directory 1, test directory 2, for that you have to type whole thing, because how will computer even understand if they are almost similar? So yeah, like this you can use tab here. So what is this CD? CD is change directory. You are in documents directory now. If you want to go to this directory, you need to change the directory from this directory to one more directory. You are entering, like keep some opening door and going inside that. Think on that, like small things, like I'm in this directory, like I am in hall. Now I want to go to bedroom. So I'm moving, I'm changing my path. So that is like change directory inside that. Okay. Okay. Now I'll do PWD and check. I'm already inside this. See? Use Lenovo document test directory. I have come. Okay, I wanted to come to a bedroom. I went to hall and then I went to my bedroom. So this is, I can directly come to my bedroom, right? So this is the way you just traverse to this. I'll say you why I need all these commands and all. Okay, so I just taught you list command, PWD, mkdir cd clear. Okay, I think we are good to go. These many basic things you just see. Okay, I have taught you list, I have taught you, because here nothing came, because this is a blank directory. Now just now we created, there was nothing inside that, so we didn't get anything. So when, how do you list something if there is nothing in that room, right? Correct. Then mkdir, I thought, yeah, these things, these 4 5 things are enough for today. Go and practice these things. Okay, let me show you this also, like what, it's better I show you GitHub. So this is the dashboard of GitHub, and here your profile is there. You can set your status, your profile, your repositories, your projects, everything will be there. And I'm using this for free, and you can use, if you're a newbie, if you're like you don't want to spend anything, like don't spend, like this is like for your own purpose. If you want to learn, this is like free, everything is good. Okay. Okay, fine. Like go practice today of what all I have said. Like if you don't have a GitHub account, get a GitHub account. If you don't like if you don't know basic terminal methods, like what all I have used, go inside some folders what you have created, um, get it, clear your terminal, list what all you have, create some more mkdir inside your mkdir folder what you have created, and list down what all are there in that, and change your directories, go from this to this directory to that directory, and see what is happening there, right? It's good, like it's very good to know. It's a basic thing. Like people will say, yeah, this is small thing, but many people can't shift, like people really can't shift from one project to, like one directory to other directory, and they get mixed up later. So I think this is better to know the small things. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.